Anytime Chinelo is wearing green, know that I'm talking food. Anytime one and the ripples is wearing green, oh, know that I'm talking food. Anytime Dizzy Fingers is wearing green, know that she's talking green. Anytime I'm wearing green, know that I'm talking food. Organic is life, organic is babe. Hello, beautiful souls. You're welcome once again to my channel at Onende Ripples. I remain your beautiful host, Chinelo. Today we'll be discussing on a very important topic, the importance of superfood onions. Yes, onions, as we all know, is a superfood. It's something we use almost every day on in our various homes for cooking. But do you know that onions is best used when eaten raw? Onions is not meant to be cooked. Onions is meant to be consumed raw. For you to get all the health benefits you need from onions, consume onions raw. Anyway, that would be a topic of another day. Today, I am here to talk specifically on how you can use onions to stop cough. Do you have a child or a ward or a relative or a friend that is always having cough and the person have tried everything and doesn't know how to stop it? Search no more. All you need to do is cut a little quantity of onions. Let me show you like this size of onions. Look at it. This size of onions. Then chew it as I'm doing now. You keep chewing it. After chewing this particular size of onions, the next thing you do is just get a tablespoon of a pouring tablespoonful of honey. Look at it. And you take it after chewing your onions. Then take 1 glass of warm water. I bet you after 30 minutes the cough will stop. Next time I will take us on other health benefits of onions. Remember, onions is not supposed to be cooked. Onions is supposed to be eaten raw. So start eating your onions raw today and start getting all the benefits you desire. Thank you for watching. Keep coming back. If you have not yet subscribed, please press the subscribe button, then press share so that you can share to your friends so that they can also benefit from what you're benefiting from. Thank you once again. I remain your host, Chinelo at Onende Ripples. I love you all. Let love be a guide, not fear. Peace.